Ooh. This is where you do a fly fishing Conor McGregor. You break your leg. I got a flat bruise. Not today. So I've just come to a new system. Now, this system here is normally so overgrown with bamboo and trees and everything. It's been unfishable for 3, 4, maybe even 5 years since the last storm. But as you can see, it's still pretty overgrown. That's what I got the machete for. As you can see, we've had a big storm come through recently. It's created a lot of flow through the river and flattened a lot of the bamboo. So hopefully today we can find some clear water to fish. Because like I said, I haven't been able to fish this for a really long time, and I'm quite excited about dropping in here and seeing what fish have been hiding underneath. Let's go do it. You can really see how much water's come through here. I mean, this has all been flattened. Look at that. And you can see why this place has been unfishable for so long. Good job it's winter and I don't have to worry about snakes. This is shit. There's a huddle of trout just in front of me. A big huddle. It's at least 10 trout there. See what happens. Yep, got one. Came off. It's all very pockety little water, so I'm just going to work these little pockets as I walk my way up, like that, because I would have walked right over that. That's a rainbow. I would have walked right over that. Oh, it's been ages since I've caught a rainbow in here. Imagine how much harder a little rainbow like this fights compared to a brown. The colours in that. Well, it was certainly nice to get back into some of those areas. It's been a long time like I said, just a fish there. And the fishing was pretty good. Hard going, obviously, with all the jungle that I had to maintain. But aside from that, it was really good. If you stuck around, guys, thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.